Okay, so here we're going to be asked to find this, the volume of these steps. Of course, they're prisms. The prism, the base of the prism is this front-facing region, the white in white here. Okay, so this is actually my my base. Okay, so I want to find the area of that. And there's a couple ways you could do that. Okay, you could break this off into rectangles and sum them up. Okay, in which case you have the one area is each of these, of course, should be 1 foot wide. This is 1 foot wide, 1 foot wide, 1 foot wide. So it's the first rectangle, we call it 1, 2, 3. Area of rectangle 1, of course, is equal to the length times the width, which is 2 feet 3 inches, which we'll call 2.25 times 1. The area of rectangle 2 is, okay, 1 foot wide and what, okay, 9 inches and another 9 inches, so that's 18 inches, which is 1.5 feet times 1. And then the third is 9 inches, which is 3/4 of a foot, okay, which is 9 inches, which is 0.75 inches times 1. So the volume here is going to be, or the area up front is 2.25, 1.5, and 0.75. So this is 2.25 and 7.75 is 3. So the base area, of course, is equal to, okay, 4.5. And the volume, therefore, would be 4.5 times 6. Okay. Here, this is 2 prisms. Actually, 1 prism and a cylinder. Okay. The thing that you got to be concerned about here is this hexagon. Okay. So with the hexagon, we realize that in a hexagon, we've got essentially 6 equilateral triangles. So the 3 here is the side, it's also the radius. We get a 30, 60, 90 going inside of here. Here's your 60, here's your 30. So this segment here, I'm going to take that triangle and blow it up a little bit. Here is that one triangle with the 60, there's the 30. The radius here is also the hypotenuse, which is 3. This length is 1.5, and this length, which we need the apothem, 1.5, the root of 3. So the area of the base then, base area, okay, is the base area for the hexagonal base is 1/2 the apothem, which is 1.5 radical 3, times the perimeter, which is 6 sides of 3, so that's 18. So, you know, that's the base area for the hexagon. Of course, the circular region, the base area is the, you know, pi r squared for that. So you add them two together, or of course you want the volume, but the volume is going to be times the height, which is 1. So the base area is just going to be that same thing. And it's going to be in cubic feet. Okay, that's the base area. The volume would be just that same thing, and then plus the that of the cylinder there. This is simply a you know, a cube, which is 4 inches on a side, which of course, or 4 feet on a side. So the volume of that cube is, of course, 4 cubed, right? So we can take the volume of the cube and subtract the volume of the cylinder inside. So we got volume of cube minus the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of the cube is 4 times 4 times 4. The volume of the cylinder, of course, is pi r squared. Pi is r is 1.5. 1.5 squared times pi, and that times the height of 4. We should be able to subtract them, and that would find us our volume for this shape over here. And that's it.